Hello, welcome back to Demand and Supply Lessons. Today, I will teach you about two types of supply and demand. So, let's get started. Number one, we have the continuous zone. Number two, we have the reversal zone. So, let's discuss the two types of supply and demand in detail. The continuous zone can appear in two forms. Number one, we have an upward rally, then base, then another upward rally. You can simply call it rally, base, rally. Number two, we have a bearish drop, then a base, then another bearish drop. You can simply call it drop, base, drop. The reversal zone appears in two forms as well. Number one, we have a bearish drop, then a base, then an upward rally. You can simply name it drop, base, rally. Number two, we have an upward rally, then a base, then a bearish drop. You can simply name it rally, base, drop. So let's see those four examples on the chart. The first chart example is the rally, base, rally. We have an upward rally, then base, then another upward rally. The rally base rally is a type of demand zone, which forms during an uptrend. You can see the demand zone here. The second chart example is the drop base drop. We have a bearish drop, then a base, then another bearish drop. The drop base drop is a type of supply zone which forms during a downtrend. The third chart example is the drop base rally. We have a bearish drop, then a base, then an upward rally. These zones form when the market reverses from a downtrend to an uptrend. It always forms a demand zone in the market. The fourth chart example is the rally base drop. We have an upward rally, then a base, then a bearish drop. These zones form when the market reverses from an uptrend to a downtrend. It always forms a supply zone in the market. So I will teach you how to draw those zones in the next video.